Abundance Stock Advisors. Let's make money.
Hello friends, welcome to the 6th episode of our Brahmastra series. To get notifications on all future episodes, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So the Brahmastra for today is, in investing, what is comfortable is rarely profitable. Friends, what is the definition of being comfortable in the stock markets? Simple answer is, some investment or trade that you have executed in the past and you have experienced results that suit you. So this investing style becomes your comfort zone and you stick to it without trying anything new. So if you are happy with the outcome, you can continue to do it. But we all know what happens when we are in our comfort zones, right? We rarely get what we really want. So Reliance Industries is definitely a good company. All investors are comfortable investing in it. But had you invested 1 lakh in it in say June 2009, by January 2017, that is after 8 good years, it would have become hardly 1,10,000 rupees. Now to get something better than this, you will have to do something different, something unknown to you. To get significant profits, to see your portfolio gaining exponentially, you will have to step out of your comfort zone. What is comfortable is rarely profitable, and what looks a little uncomfortable can do the trick for you. So Indiabulls Ventures may not look very comfortable to you for buying in say February 2017, but had you invested 1 lakh rupees in it then, it would have become 26 lakhs by August 2018. That's like 26 times in around 18 months. So as a strategy, you should do self-analysis and try to know the boundaries of your comfort zone. You should then practice stepping out of these boundaries in small doses. Out of 10 comfortable trades, step out of your comfort zone and take 3 risky trades and see what happens. Now come back, reevaluate, reinvent, challenge yourself, refine, and this time do it better. Taking risks is the only way by which you can really make a fortune in the stock markets. Let the risks, however, be calculated always. When we recommend stocks, we do throw in risky recommendations at times. Obviously, we let our clients know that they are risky to invest, but we need to take these chances. We may fail at times, but remember, we need to be right just once. One good investment on the target and it can make us a fortune. Friends, always remember, smooth and calm seas never make skillful sailors. There are many such amazing videos on our YouTube channel. You should definitely watch them. Next week, we will load you again with yet another Brahmastra. Until then, happy investing.